Good morning, guys. I'm leaving the house now. On a serious note, I'm going to the park to meditate and do some journals. Read my book a bit. I'm gonna read from in. So you're done with the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the them? How's it all the day? You're my funny girl. I love those shoes. Come and go sit, you know. Well, I don't remember something. Mom. I don't remember. Oh yeah, I'm going to the park and then I'm gonna do some shopping later on. After I'm done do what I say me I go do. Today me I go do it for sure. Oh my god. I don't remember nothing, bro. I have to tie up my blouse. Girl, so down. Damn! That glow though. I'm so crazy. So I'm just walking on the road. Hopefully I'm not lost today. Yesterday I got lost. My GPS died. I told you that from the other clip before. Not if I use the GPS to them. Know where I go. I parked right around the road. Well, this park is right around the road, like 5 minutes away. And yesterday I noticed it. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm sitting on the corner and all the boys keep stopping. Mac, L'Oreal, that's so I work it all the way. I put it on so perfect. Right at the corner of my mouth, so I work it all the way so that they can't say nothing. Morning. What you know about me? 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 My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss. Alright, I always tell people morning because of some girl. Like I saw my parents broke me from day one. Like I don't feel good walking by people. Don't say morning. It's just common courtesy. Even if they don't answer for their business and stuff. Good morning. Even if they don't answer for their business. I know that I'm doing the right thing, and that's how I'm gonna grow my children as well. They might grow up with manners. Cause nowadays, nowadays them pick me and I have no manners. I'm gonna go subscribe to that with my kids. You know? I always talk about my main goal. My main goal, like my life goal, is to really be in my church, get married, have some nice kids, grow them well. Me and my husband spend time with the baby them. And they things. I'm gonna walk as I go in the park, you know. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up and go exercise. Yeah. Grow some nice kids, you know. And, you know, build that bond and show them how it is to have a great family and a great life. That is really what I want for me and my kids and my family. People in the park exercise. Ooh. Let's do that. Oh gosh. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up and exercise. I haven't exercised in like 2 to 3 weeks now, and it's so bad of me. Whew. I'm almost there now. I'm gonna do a video. I didn't bring my tripod. I did bring my tripod, and that is my fault because I wanted to do a video now, but I sit on your son do it and I can't go get to do it now. Rasta. So later, I'm gonna do meditate, journal, read, then I go up on the road. It's early now, it's morning time. It's like about 8-9 o'clock and stuff. Alright, later. I didn't tell you guys, please remember to hit that subscription button, leave a comment below, subscribe. I'm gonna hit that subscription button already. Show the love later. Guys, I didn't get to come back to you today because my phone died again.
Oh, did you?
I
Isaiah, say something.
Hi.
No, it ain't. And this is what? I want to them.
Hi! He had the head.
You can't say hi on this. It's you. I want to them.
What's up,
Or
everybody?
some kind of dance or something.
They say people them know each other, people don't know each other. They must say.
And if I need assistance, right?
Yeah, password
You're
assistance.
vlogging right now?
You want it back?
You're
Yeah,
vlogging right
because
now?
I'm going to call.
Yes, I'm vlogging. So,
Yeah, I'm going to call
say
them. Because
are
I
they
want
gonna
to
need
just...
a code then?
I need them. No, I just need them to send it to me directly. It's like,
Yeah, password assistance.
oh,
Wait, Mom, did you
09591.
hear this? Huh?
So we're heading to a football, or no, we're heading to the park. Why park am I getting onto this?
Weekway Park.
Weekway Park.
For my practice.
So that park is very big, like bigger than all I park them that Jamaica put together. Like for days you'll be driving to get to where the park that you want to go. It's like so big. You know, just pick up
Okay,
a
here we go. We just get it.
Can you
Show
get
him
it?
my helmet. Show him my luscious helmet.
Our manager return.
Which team do you play for?
Brick City Lines.
He's representing for Brick City Lines, yo. Tune in. So anyways, when we reach our park, we log back on and stuff. We're not stay park. We're stay park?
No, Mom.
Yeah.
We have to put this on.
Where we gonna go? Tomorrow we're gonna do the mall.
Okay. So we're gonna be at the park and stuff.
They said.
Turf. Because every day we're practicing on turf now.
I don't think she sent me the right thing.
Where is that? The trap? That trap?
Yeah.
Should I just care exercising clothes and exercising in the meantime?
Oh,
That's what we should have done.
I never
Right
exercised.
there hosting us.
Oh, around by the YMCA?
Tyson? I mean, Rowley?
Right by his school?
Yeah, right at the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
YMCA.
And some people did that exercise.
Yeah, there's a lot of exercise.
Yeah.
Sorry, folks, but exercise is a punishment
That
for me.
well, I should have brought my exercising clothes and exercise at the park. Yeah, man, it's a park. Yeah, like if you have access to a park like this, you don't need the gym because they have some little things in the way for exercise fun, like for the push up on your arms and stuff, and your track and they have a really good thing. Anyways, that's my saying. When we reach at the park, grass wet.
You can't go nowhere without knowing everybody.
What you fix?
Don't watch my ear. Me sleep from there. I vlog me attack. So if you don't watch my ear, me sleep from there. So I don't come. And stuff. So we're at the park now.
Real world, we're not all up there all the time.
Keep it over this way. Wait, you not carry plastic?
You know, the panic. It's nice. You the panic seat. Oh, they're finished. Come on.
Then finish. So we can walk on the grass?
It's not grass. This is actually a carpet.
Oh, it's a carpet, not a grass.
It's called turf.
Okay. We're going to the other side of the field. See goal there. Go. I put on a clay mask on my face today again. Not too long wash off. Makes my face look cooler. Trying to get rid of these spots. The spots came from my last breakout. So we are gonna go over this and deal with the football team. So I'll tune in back with you. I don't think it's gonna be today, maybe tomorrow when I'm on the road or something. I'm close still. Later. Need to rub some of my belly gun for your belly next time. You'll sweat.
No, no, no.
Why?
That thing's burned.
I'm making a wedding dress.
No, what you gotta do?
Put it on. All right, that's it. No, that's it.
This thing is.
Oh, you go run now, Isaiah. You can't move your hand?
Come.
Move your hand. Try and move your hand.
Bend my hands. Alright.
You're sweating because this is ew. This shirt is icky. Ugh. Yeah. Come.
So you have to lose like 2 pounds by tomorrow. 2 pounds you have to lose by tomorrow?
All you gotta do is
Flush that out.
By today.
Because it rained here tonight, right?